Hi guys, good morning. We're just getting ready to fly to Boracay. It's still, I don't know, I hope we won't get late. Our flight is at 10 and we're still at home. It's already 8 o'clock. Yeah, wish us luck. I'm gonna give you an update in a bit. Hi guys, so we are already at the domestic area of the Mactan International Airport, and we are just unloading our luggages and so we can catch our flight to Boracay.
Nahubos ang sapatos. Thank you.
So we've checked in, we're just waiting for our flight, and there's Nicolai, dala agad. There's Thea, Andine, and Nanay. So we're just going to our boarding gate now, and see you in a bit, Boracay. Hi guys, so we are already at the boarding area. We're just waiting for our flight to move forward, and that's the people, they're waiting.
Nicola! Pizza ba na? Gamay mo kayo na.
That's Dean and Nanay. And Nicolai. We are inside the plane now, and I'm by the window. We are already settled. We've found our seats, and look at this little man. It's his first time to ride a plane. Atong tanaw na kung say dagoy ani niya unya. He's very lihukan, and that's Dean right there, and Thea and Nicolai. Hi guys, so we're just waiting to fly now, and yeah, we're just chilling at the moment, waiting for the plane to take off. See Boracay in a bit. Guys, we are now at Boracay Airport, and I'm just looking for our sundo so that we can move now to our hotel. Lagi si Nanay dito. Sige, find your uncomfortable seat. Dili na lang, Nay. Dili na lang, Nay. Or dili ka speakers nga ikaw ako sa di ka matandog. Yeah. Yeah. Taya andin. Yeah. Sige ko lang. Nangupot. Shuttle to the port, and then from the port we will ride a boat to the island, and from the boat we will ride a I think a van or another shuttle going to our hotel. And that's the two ladies, and that's Nanay, and at the end Nicolai. So it's like an exclusive almost exclusive shuttle for us.
Boracay si Nanay siya.
Hi guys, so we are now at Katiklan. Yeah, and we are now boarding. We use Island Express for transport. Let's go get your bags. We are just now going to the boat para sa for Katiklan. I mean, for Boracay Island. Ano ba yan? Pataka-taka na lang. Yeah, so wait here to go to the boat. Hi guys, so we are now going to the island. We are at the boat at the moment. Moanto na sa island taod-taod, and we're just leaving Katiklan, no? Muna Katiklan, no? Yeah, and then we're going to the sa island na, Boracay Island. And there's hubs, medyo dangog-dangog jud, ay dangog-dangog. Ang sige kanang lihok jud kayo bawd kay dito going sa boat. So niagi pa mi og murag ramp, but para sa dagat nga ramp. Is it?
Makita nila.
Yeah, so yeah, medyo sinaw na atong now, kay init kaayo, and kaya alimuot. But anyway, let's just enjoy the journey going to the island. Nicolai! Hi guys, so we are now at the port of Boracay, and we're just waiting for our transport to the hotel. I have to tie my hair because it's too windy here, and there's the kids. the ladies, by the way. It's not kids. They're not kids anymore. And that's Nikolai. I think he's tired, and that's Nanay sitting pretty, and the two ladies with me. And Hobbs, bless him, he has got the big luggage. Hi guys, so we just arrived at the hotel, and we're just waiting to see where we can have our lunch while waiting to be able to check in to our room, because they're still preparing our rooms. And yeah, so we are here at the cafe and just looking at the menu to see what we can eat for now, and then we'll go out later tonight. We are just going now upstairs in our room. So we're just looking for the lift. So there's everyone. Hi guys, so we're already here in our room, and we're able to finally settle down a bit. I'm just gonna give a quick room tour so that you can have a look at how our hotel accommodation looks like. So when you get in, as usual, like the normal hotel rooms, this is their toilet. And there's robes here and towel. And this is the shower area. And that's a mirror. That's my outfit for today. And this is the bed. It's quite a big bed. And this is the lounge area. Going to the balcony. That's the balcony and the pool area. That's our view. I don't know where is the door here. So yeah, that's our view from our room. There are two pools, and I think this is the main pool by the cafe, and the second pool. So it's nice and so refreshing here. And this is our little sitting area in the balcony. So naabot na gud me guys, and we can slowly settle down and change and go and explore Boracay. Hello, so I am on the second bedroom, and this is the chaos here. There's Taya, and that's Dean, and Nasa, and Nikolai.